Hi everyone, it's T-Tech, and in this video I am going to show you how can you fix GB WhatsApp problem and unknown error occurred. You can see here, if I go here on my GB WhatsApp, I cannot uh, get into in this app, and because of back problem, you can see when I go into this app I cannot get into it because an unwanted error have been happened to my GB WhatsApp. You know that it's GB WhatsApp third party app. For this reason I am not suggesting you to using GB WhatsApp, but for study purpose, as your problem has been happened, for this reason I am making this video. I think it will be helpful to you. So for fixing the problem, you have to go in your phone settings. You can see here I am on my phone settings, and after come here phone settings, you have to search here for, you can see here app manager. In your phone you can see app manager. You have to simply go into your app manager, and from app manager you have to click here app list. You can see here app list. You have to simply click here app list. From here you have to search here GB WhatsApp, or you can go here manually GB WhatsApp. You can see here GB WhatsApp, or you can scroll down like that, and you can get GB WhatsApp from here. You can see here GB WhatsApp, and then after come here on GB WhatsApp, you can see here your WhatsApp. But here if you clear here data and caches, your all information or chat and picture will be vanished. Some YouTuber you show that way to clear all caches and storage. Then if you clear all your data and image will be vanished, but I am not going to show that way. I am going to show the way that's way your data or picture will not be vanish. So for doing that or fix the problem, you have to go into your Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, you have to simply install Telegram, and you have to create an account into your Telegram. After creating into account in Telegram, you have to simply come here, and you can see her search option. You have to simply click her search option, and you have to search here UP up COMM upcoming help. You can see her SELP upcoming help. You can see her upcoming help. You have to search this channel, and you have to click on it. After clicking here, you can see her this kind of page. You can see her upcoming help. You have to remind that this is the logo of this channel, and you can see her this is the channel, and you will can see her pin option. You can see her three line and pin option. You have to simply click her pin option, and then you have to scroll down, up scroll. You will can see her you have to up scroll, and then you can see her WhatsApp Pro version 7.6, but you don't have to install it. You have to install WhatsApp Pro 17.55. According to your phone, you have to install this. You can see here I am simply installing it. You can see here I have been installing it. You can see here it have been installed, and you have to simply click on it, and you have to click here update. You can see it's updating. You can see here it's updating, and then you can see here you have to click here got it, and you can see it's not installed because of your app protection. You can see here if you click here update, you can see here this kind of interface. You might be see that you have to click here more details, and then you can see here option install anyway. You can see here you have to simply click here, and then you can see here it will be installed. So you have to remind that you have to click there and you can see your app installed. You have to simply click here open. After clicking here open, you can see here your app have been opened. So that's how you can solve the problem of back. You can see here now if I go, my problem have been fixed. You can see here my problem have been fixed. Now I can go into my GB WhatsApp. So that's how you can solve your problem. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.